7 o'clock.
Okay, we'll call the meeting in order 3:35 PM for April 23rd, 2018. I'd now like to entertain a motion that we accept the minutes, two sets of minutes, for March 27, 2018 CAB meeting and the April 9th, 2018, it says 2008 on there, by the way, but I know it's 18, emergency CAB meeting minutes.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Meeting minutes are carried. So first on the agenda today, we have contract number 4063. The vendor is Pulsiam Incorporated. The estimated amount is $89,662. The estimated term is 4/1/18 through 3/31/19. The scope of services is the following: safety net software maintenance for the CAD system, covered by E911 surcharge funds, is 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions. Anybody? Sean?
Anyone have any questions for me, or?
I don't have any.
Anything? Okay, I'll entertain a motion.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried.
Thank you.
Good job.
Next on the agenda is contract number 4097, Department of Health. The vendor is CDTC. The estimated term is 3/1/18 through 12/31/18. The scope of service is to administer and distribute complete streets, mini grants to Albany County municipalities for limitation of transportation and community plans, promoting physical activity, including professional services, travel, and supplies as needed. And this is 100% state funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
This will be paid for using grant funding, and one of the grant deliverables is that Albany County Department of Health helps other municipalities create and develop transportation and community plans that promote physical activity, including cycling and walking. And we feel that CDTC has specific subject area expertise, and that's why we are asking to contract with them to design and administer the Complete Streets mini grants.
Well, having sat on the CDTC committee for 20 years, I know exactly what professional people you'll be getting on board with this, and I'm sure they're going to do a great job. They've always done a great job with all the contracts they've been involved with in Albany County and Schenectady and Rensselaer and Saratoga County, so I'm sure you're in good hands.
And
Any
the
other
Complete Streets program is going to be recognized as a national model in the next few days.
Awesome. Great news. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion.
Motion. Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Good luck. Next on the agenda is contract number 4052. Department is nursing home. The vendor is Richfield Associates. The estimated amount is $10,000. The estimated term is 24 months. The scope of services is Richfield Associates was awarded their contract through the RFP process, and their annual cost was based on visitation to the nursing home on a monthly basis, and the New York State Department of Health, or CMS, surveys and insurance. At the time this contract was issued, we did not know the amount of the consultation required for surveillance or insurance. Now that this amount is known, the contract needs to be revised to include an additional $5,000 per year on an annual not-to-exceed amount of $35,000. In review of the next lowest responsible bidder, Richfield Associates' annual fees are significantly less, and this will be 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
Kind of sums it up quite well. Just for your information, there were two contracts that two providers that bid, and the other contract was $150,000 for 2 years, so it's significantly less. And they did state that in the RFP, or in their response, that they did not know what the cost of insurance is.
Any other comments or questions? I'll entertain a motion.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried. Next on the agenda is contract number 4072. Department is nursing home. The vendor is Albany Memorial Hospital and Samaritan Hospital members, St. Peter's Health Partners. The estimated term is 5/1/18 through 4/30/21. To provide laboratory services to residents and staff of the nursing home, it's 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
This is a 3-year contract. It's a new contract. The previous vendor was them, and it's the only show in town. Unfortunately, there's only people that bid, but they do service all of our nursing homes in the immediate area. They do a great job. They're very responsive, reactive to what we need. We're going for electronic medical record. We required them to interface with us, and they've already done that in anticipation of this, so they're a very, very, very good company. I think we've probably been doing business probably in excess of 12 years.
Okay. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion?
Motion.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried.
Thank you all.
Okay. Next on the agenda is contract number 4058. Department is Children, Youth, and Families. Vendor is the Albany County Department of Social Services. The estimated amount is $43,000. The estimated term is 4/117 through 10/31/17. The scope of service is a memorandum of agreement between the Albany County Department of Children, Youth, and Families and the Albany County Department of Social Services for the 2017 Summer Youth Employment Program. This is 100% state-funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
So this is really to address a resolution that was approved back in 2017, number 319, for the Summer Youth Employment Program. Within the language, it did not incorporate wording to facilitate claiming between our department and DSS, and so that's what we want to address. So what happens is OTDA allocates funding each year for the administration of the Summer Youth Employment Program. And local districts have the option whether they'll administer the program themselves or it can be allocated over to the WIB. And so Albany County historically has chosen to have the WIB and Albany City administer the Summer Youth Employment Program. We have the ability to keep some of that for administrative costs, and so that's what we do. The $43,000 is related to both administrative costs and a subcontract that we have with Cornell Cooperative Extension. But since the money does not come directly to the Department for Children, Youth, and Families, it goes through DSS, we need to have a mechanism in order to facilitate the claiming. And that language was not in the resolution and the request, the RLA that was presented last year, and so we're just trying to address that. It
So this-
recently came to light that that language was not there to facilitate the claiming process, and so we're just trying to address that at this point in time for the $43,000.
So this funding is related to last year's summer program?
Correct. We have not received notice as yet from OTDA about 2018 applications as yet.
Okay.
We anticipate that it usually comes around the end of April, beginning of June, that we receive that information.
Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion?
So moved.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next on the agenda is contract number 4086. The department is Highway Engineering Division. The vendor is, it's varied. The estimated amount is $48,000. It's an estimated 12-month term. The scope of service to purchase our asphalt materials for county road maintenance. It's 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
I'll take this from Mr. Hidley if I could. DPW Commissioner, it's nice to be here today, but we need to keep these projects going. We don't want to keep another emergency cap here. The first one, this request is for asphalt materials, and the total for $48,000. It was bid out, and the award was given to the locality that had the responsible bid and the cheapest in there, so.
The estimated term amount of 12 months, is there a beginning or ending date to that, or what's?
May 1st.
May 1st of 18 until
The following, April 31st of 2019.
19, okay. Any other comments or questions? Make a motion?
Motion. Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried. Contract number 4082, department is maintenance of roads and bridges. The estimated term is 12 months, and this is to purchase crushed stone material for county road maintenance, 100% county funded. I'll open the floor for comments or questions.
Thank you again. This is for the crushed stone, same as the previous contract. It was bid, awards were notified per the lowest responsible bidder in that zone.
Okay, I think I neglected to mention that the estimated amount was $90,000.
Yes,
For the
yes,
record.
100,000.
Same length of term?
Yes, exact term.
Day 1?
Yep.
Of 18? Okay. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried. Contract number 4070, Department of Highways and Permanent Improvements. The vendor is Joe Basil Chevrolet Incorporated. The estimated amount is $28,662. The estimated term is 4 months. The scope of service, the purchase of 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 double cab. It is 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes, this is for the purchase of one 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's part of the it's part of the capital plan for vehicle replacement. And the total award was for $28,661.83, 100% county.
Any other questions, comments? Entertain a motion?
Motion.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried. Next contract is 4069, Highways Permanent Improvements. The vendor is Gorman Brothers. The estimated amount is $33,601. The estimated term is 8 months. The scope of service, full depth recycling on a portion of County Route 10, Hunter's Land Road, for approximately .95 miles, an area known as Garvey Hill, and is 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes. Part of the capital plan again for this one, the replacement is for approximately 1 mile of road all the way down to and paved through.
Any other comments or questions? I'll entertain a motion.
So
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. Contract number 4096. The department is Building Services. The vendor is SMRT Architect. The estimated amount is $48,000. It's a 2-year project. It is 100% county funded. And now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes, this is for the CDYC Center for the Raise the Age. We have to do an architectural and design services to bring that facility up to compliance. They were scored the best bidder for the project as far as their qualifications, pricing went. And it's for $48,000, but we're submitting an RLA for reimbursement from the CDYC for this project. This is required by the governor's Raise the Age.
Okay. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion.
Motion.
second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Abstentions? Carried. Next is contract number 4053. The department is Unified Court Administration. The vendor is GP Flooring Solutions. The estimated amount is $42,294, a 6-month term. Scope of services for materials and labor to replace carpets in the family court building located at 30 Clinton Avenue. And it's 100% state funded.
Yes, this is a 686 request where it is 100% funded by the state because it is their request to do it. And they take care of everything for that. So it doesn't cost the county any money. As far as this percentages go, 73, 67%, that's what we usually deal with 686.
Okay. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. Next on the agenda, contract number 4068. Department is Building Services. The vendor is Tyco Simplex Grinnell. It's a 12-month estimated term and an amount of $53,367, and it's for the annual fire alarm and fire sprinkling system test and inspections at various Albany County facilities, 100% county funded.
Yes, this is to test all of our equipment, make sure it's in compliance. It is a state contract, and yes, it is 100% county.
Any other questions or comments? When does this term start, Dave?
I believe we usually start in May, and it runs through the whole year. They do different facilities at different times.
Okay. Any other questions? Entertain a motion.
Motion.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. Contract number 4088. Department is Building Services. The vendor is McBain Electric, Inc. The estimated amount is $23,575. Estimated term is 1 year. It is 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes, this is part of the capital plan to go along with the Times Union Luxury Suite project, the renovation of those projects there. They were the lowest responsive bidder. Jamie, thank you.
Okay. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. 4062 is the contract number. Department is Building Services. The vendor is Peter Luisi and Brothers Contracting Incorporated. The estimated amount is $30,000. Estimated term is 12 months. The scope of service is snow plowing and salting at the Health Department complex. Is 100% county funded. I now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes, this is a renewal for the contract that we have with them already from June 1st of 2018 to May 31st, 2019. It's not to exceed the cost of $30,000 that we put in there for our estimated snow plowing and services down at the DMV and Health Department complex.
Well, I'm certainly hoping that 8 out of those 12 months you do not need this service. Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion.
Motion.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstention? Carried. Next is contract number 4049. Department is Building Services. The vendor is Power Secure Service, Inc. The estimated amount is $51,740. It's a 5-year estimated term, and it's for backup generator preventive maintenance and servicing for the county office building, the county judicial center, the county courthouse, and the county family court. Now, this is broken up into 2 fiscal impacts. The county will pick up 53%, and the state will pick up 47%. And now open the floor for comments or questions.
Yes, this is to preventive maintenance on all our generators. There is a thing that the office building will be 100% county, just that the judicial center, the courthouse, and family court were the ones that would be at the prorated price.
Any other comments or questions? Entertain a motion.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. And the last item on our agenda today is contract number 4092. The department is law. The vendor is Arthur J. Gallagher Risk Management Services. It's a 1-year term. The estimated amount is $99,999, and it's to provide brokerage service through the county to market and obtain premium quotes for the county's liability, casualty, and medical malpractice insurance coverage, 100% county funded.
This is our contract with our broker of record for all of our liability insurance coverage needs. The price quote is an estimate. We do not pay the broker of record. They are paid by commission based upon the insurance costs, whatever insurance we procure during the year. This is the second year under the RFP that we issued last year. We've been very happy with this broker. They're I think the third largest insurance brokerage in the world. They provide all of our insurance needs. We've had tremendous cost savings since we started getting our insurance through them. This year, as we go forward with the August 15 renewal, we are going to be looking at adding some coverages that are quite odd in that, we have the anaerobic project starting at the Water Purification District, which is in and of itself quite a different project because Saratoga County is going to own part of the project, so they're going to need to be involved in insuring that for us. We are going to be looking at builder's risk for the nursing home project. We are going to be looking at trying to trim our growing malpractice costs, which as we expand the nursing home, and expand the services that we're providing, our malpractice premiums are growing. So those are just some of the costs that we're looking at. They provide ongoing services to us regularly. Every time we hold a function anywhere, we have to provide insurance. They provide, insurance certificates for us. They give us advice on a weekly basis. They've done a great job for us, and I would recommend we proceed with renewal.
That's a lot, no question. Any other questions or comments? Entertain a motion?
Motion.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried. Sean, for the record, the May meeting date has been changed to May 22nd
Correct.
on a Tuesday,
Tuesday.
3:30 PM? Okay. Now I'll entertain a motion to close.
Motion.
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Carried at 3:55 PM. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.